Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to explore on how to do a partial refund on eBay. Let's begin. Now, the first thing we need to do is to log in our account using your credentials. And if this is your first time here on eBay, you might want to click on create an account. And from here, you can choose the type of account you wanted to create. It can be personal, business, and all you're gonna do is provide your full legal name, email, password, or you can simplify the process by clicking on the continue with Google or continue with Facebook, or you can continue with Apple. Now, by clicking the create an account button, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're all set. Now, once you're done, all you're gonna do is go to the upper right corner and click on summary, because we need to go to our my eBay selling overview. Right, so click on that and click on summary. Now, if you're fond of doing refund, we have a separate video on doing on issuing a refund here in eBay. You might want to check our channel. But basically, what we need to do is very simple, and the process of issuing a partial refund is very direct. All you're gonna do is from here, if you have an active listings that you are selling on the market because you are a seller yourself, you might want to go, say for example, on the active listings that you have. And from here, let's say these are the lists, and all you're gonna do is click on that specific item that you wanted to make a partial refund. Click on that and you would have a small arrow down here. All you're gonna do is click on it, and once you've clicked on that, click on send refund. And once you are there, obviously all you're gonna do is put the amount of partial refund that you wanted on that specific item, right? Because remember that you always need to go to the returns dashboard. If you can access that and select view return details beside the item that we did earlier, and select offer a partial refund and then continue, and again enter the amount you wish to offer the buyer, and you can choose to add the message to the buyer and select send offer. You can only offer a partial refund once, and the buyer can choose to accept or reject your offer. And again, if you are having problems issuing a partial refund, you might want to click on the help and contact button here, and all you're gonna do is search for the how to offer a partial refund. And that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.